This is boiled talong. She's getting it ready for making it torta. Put the what is that? Tortang talong.
Tortang talong
with
eggs. Right?
Battered eggs.
Yeah, isn't that what it is?
Yeah.
Battered.
And these are battered. And these are what? Tomatoes.
This is for the tomatoes, onions,
garlic.
This is for what do you call that? Mungo.
For the mongo.
Nanalata.
Mongo soup.
I don't know.
And this is the pork belly that Jessica chopped, and she's going to put that into her.
Wait, this is not. We're not experts
mongo
here.
soup. First, you have to fry it.
Hey, it's.
First, you have to fry the pork.
The pork, yeah. I guess to brown it up. I don't know why it's sticking.
Oh, ayaw ko na. Ayaw og ka ng kay mo kuan lusin naman na siya o nigkaluto na.
Okay. Because we don't know how this is gonna come out. Oh, okay. Starting to loosen up.
It's starting to brown right now.
Yeah.
It's gonna take like few minutes to brown it up.
And then we're gonna add the other stuff.
Okay.
So
umauding na siya din nagluto. Kay diretso na lang.
yeah. Yeah, aron ibutang na lang ng munggo, diba? I mean, isn't that how it's done?
Clever idea. I would not have thought about it that way.
Yeah, so we'll brown that up. And then, where's my fork? There we go. So, I'm gonna beat the egg. Like an expert, not really. Salt, not too much because we don't want high blood pressure. That was salt, right?
And just salt to taste. Here's salt and pepper.
This pepper.
Yeah. Grind it.
Fresh ground black pepper.
What na sulod, Jess?
Not for mine?
Oh.
That should be good. And then, where's your garlic powder? I like garlic powder. It's one of my favorite seasoning.
Yeah.
It just makes everything taste so good. I don't know if this is going to be enough. You think it's going to be enough?
Oh, we can put more. Add more eggs if you want.
Oh.
We have plenty of eggs.
Yeah. That's fine. I just want to get rid of the water. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to... So, I assume this is how you make tortang talong. Right? You just flattened it.
Yeah, this is how you do it. You flatten it up. Just smash it. But don't take it out of the stem.
Yeah. Right? Just like that. And then you cover it with egg.
Cover it with eggs. Now you start, you are ready to fry it. Ooh, kagwapa sa iyang talong. Uy!
Yeah, see?
Ooh!
Simple.
Guwapa.
Guapa.
Dili siya paig. Parehas ko ang magluto.
Okay. So now that we have that, let's go back to our mungo. We have several dishes we're trying to make today. I don't want it to be... The main focus is the talong.
Okay.
So this would be... Alright, so we'll continue to cook our pork until it's brown. We want the pork cooked because...
Keep browning the pork.
Yeah.
Pretty soon it's gonna be done. You're gonna add the mungo.
No, not yet.
Oh, sama.
We're gonna add the we're gonna add the anong tawag nito?
Onions.
Yeah, onion, tomato.
Oh,
and
we're gonna
garlic.
spice it up after.
So we'll see.
Pagluto ta, pagkahuman busog.
Busog dyan ni Ron. Magbulad ko ta.
Bulad na naman. Kahuman na ni bulad na pod.
Yan, apatay pork belly diri oh. Nakaglaron jud sa ani.
May pork belly pa. Ang high blood ani, why katukungan. Oh my God.
Wala jud, puno jud ni high blood dun.
Puno sa high
Don't
blood.
copy us. pork too, right?
Yeah.
You think that's enough? That should be enough, right?
Can we brown it a little bit more?
Okay.
That way it gives you a little bit of crispiness.
Okay. For our I hope this is not too bad.
Oh, that's so nice. Because it did not splattered.
Yeah,
Usually
because we
it's
cook it
splattered.
here.
Ah, good idea. I never
I
even
kinda know
thought
what
of
I'm
it that
doing.
way.
This will watch it splatter right now. We're like, oh yeah, it's such a great idea. Should I bring this down?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our spices. We're gonna add the onion. Brown the onion a little bit. I mean, no, I'm sorry, that's garlic. We're gonna add the onion.
You know?
I love the smell of onion. Is it just me or?
Me too.
Right?
I really like the smell of it. It smells so good.
Yeah, I love the smell of onion, garlic, and tomato.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Alright guys, so now we have all our other stuff in there. Oh my gosh, for our torta. Completely neglected it. It's hard being a chef, right?
It is.
And when you're
trying to juggle so many.
you're trying to juggle all these
It's the reason why I burn mine. I'm a juggler, I think. Okay, that's our torta.
Yeah, probably too high though. I don't want it to be. But I mean, the talong is already cooked anyway because we boiled it. So
right. All we have to do is just cook the eggs and make it a little bit brownish.
Yeah.
This is our first video, guys. So
be nice.
we're trying to make things good here.
So be nice. Maybe we can. How about that? So back to our cooking.
So this is getting ready for
the mungo
beans to be added next.
So what does this have? This has tomatoes, onion, garlic, and pork. So we're basically just cooking up the cooking down the what's the name of that? The tomatoes and the onions.
So which part of the Philippines is this recipe coming from?
That I don't know.
And who invented the concept, Miss Jessica? Limot, di ko malimot. As you know, I'm getting older. Senior moments.
You're not there yet, eh?
Almost.
Just almost. Not quite there yet.
It will take a while.
Yeah. Is that brown enough?
Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, that looks pretty. Like commercial quality. Ah, Jessica!
I don't know about that, but
Ngayon magpalit ko niya anak hilig kay kanang kuan kay ha. Ako ganahan magugog chiki kuman Japanese.
yeah, pero pag Pinoy nga kuan recipe.
Pag recipe Pinoy pod ang kuan patis.
Oo.
That's true.
I don't know if you're supposed to put toyo in the in mungo. I don't think you are. But we don't have patis here. What is this garlic powder?
You mean fish sauce?
Fish sauce, yeah. Oh yeah, sakto kay sa Bisaya kay patis kay toyo man, di ba?
Mm.
We'll flavor this now. Hopefully there'll be enough flavor. Torta tea.
Ay, butang nga nagtorta.
Yeah.
Ang sama ni Jess. Humana ni?
Mana na, te.
Okay.
Well, ako sa nang tinay. Kung kinahanglan ka ba ni uguan, timpla?
Hmm.
Kulang pa.
Kulang. Masay kulang.
Toyo uguan.
O, asin? Ayun na.
Ayaw asin.
Kanang.
Okay.
Kanang kuan na. Dili kay kuan. Kanang. Igo ra siya ba? Ang kastikin niya.
Yeah. Sticky sa?
Dili siya tubigon kaayo.
Yeah.
Ang pagkamunggos.
Unang siya flavor. This should be enough after this. Okay na itong atang kuan dito.
Kung ano guna siya god pangtunga sa table ba?
Yeah,
Nga unta
like so.
magluto.
Wala man. I'm good. Alright, that's good.
Pork over pork.
Pork over pork.
Yeah.
Okay, these are cooked. Toasted.
It's very, very guwapa na. Ganahan ko magtanaw sa imong torta, kanang appetizing. Sa imong nilutuan ba?
Hopefully, appetizing po ang bula di ay think.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Nakayuta. Basta man, pwede na akong lutuan o bulad.
Yeah. Mas hindot noon eh. Awa oh. Tanawa ang yung result.
Yeah. Alright. So right now, we have our Filipino feast. We have munggo, tuyo. Well, that's not really Filipino. I think that's more Korean. We got that. Ate Jane got that at a Korean store. They're like thinly sliced pork belly. Of course, the rice, straight from the rice cooker, and tortang talong. So yep, we're ready to eat, guys. We haven't eaten our lunch.
And this is our lunch, dinner.
Yeah, lunch/dinner. So we're very excited. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.